Hey y'all, and welcome back. Tonight we're cooking orange chicken. Right now, sometimes it's not in the budget to go out and eat like we used to. So we're trying to find ways to still make it at home, but make it just as good as takeout. So come on and join us in the kitchen while we show you how we've come up with this simple, easy, budget-friendly orange chicken. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we're cooking orange chicken, and I thought I'd show y'all how we do this quick 30-minute dinner that takes less time than it takes to go get Chinese and bring it back. You can have this done in 30 minutes, plus you won't spend $50. You can make this for around $10 when you're trying to eat on a budget and save money. So come on and let's cook this orange chicken. Start by adding you around 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And right here I've diced up my chicken breast in about a 1-inch little cube, and we're going to go ahead now and start frying the chicken up. Salt and pepper your chicken real good. Start by zesting 1 orange. You're going to wind up with about a tablespoon of zest. And then once you get your orange zested, and if you don't come up with enough, you can do 2 oranges. Now that we've got our 1/2 cup of orange juice, we're going to use this little strainer and strain it. Now to the orange juice and the orange zest, we're going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Two teaspoons of sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, or just regular white vinegar, but I'm going to use this one just because I've got it and it needs to be used up. And then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, any kind. This is the one we're using. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm actually just going to go ahead and add the rest of this because that's about 2 teaspoons. And then this is the last ingredient. We're going to add about 1 inch of ginger. About 1 teaspoon. Okay, now give it a good mix. Make sure you get all the honey off the bottom of the measuring cup. That smells good. And now that you've got it mixed, we're going to slowly pour it into our cooked chicken. And now we're just going to cook it until our sauce thickens up a little. Okay, now my sauce has thickened just a little and it's cooked down, and that's about how I want it. So I'm going to plate it up and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Okay, y'all, here's how our orange chicken turned out. It was delicious, and it was just as good as going to get takeout, but we done it at home to save money. So if y'all try our video and our recipe and you like it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, food and family. Family that eats together, stays together. Thanks for